This is a video game music file, gzipped. It contains the soundtrack from old consoles. You need a specialized player like Foobar 2000 with the Game Emu Player component. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's listen to the chiptunes. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated VGZ file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. A VGZ file is a compressed audio file primarily associated with video game music. It typically contains audio data extracted or ripped from video game soundtracks, often compressed using the gzip algorithm to reduce file size. These files are commonly used for archiving and sharing video game music in a more manageable format. VGZ files utilize gzip compression, a lossless data compression algorithm, to minimize storage space. The internal audio format can vary, potentially including formats like MIDI, WAV, or other proprietary audio formats, specific to the game console or platform. Decompression is required to access and play the audio content. To gain full access to VGZ, the application needed is Nullsoft Winamp from Nullsoft. Windows displays only generic icons, indicating a need for specialized software. Windows plays video files conveniently, but deeper control needs production software. Your first step in isolating the problem. Right-click the VGZ file and select Open With. If Nullsoft Winamp is installed, use that. If not, try another option immediately. When your VGZ file does not open, it is usually a small issue. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, use Winamp. Open the file using Nullsoft Winamp, the required application for the visualization plugin. Next, check installation path. Ensure the VGZ file is placed in the correct Winamp plugins folder. Finally, check version. Ensure your Winamp version is compatible with the version that created the plugin. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.